nail fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. It's your girl Tia Bella back again. Well, back again from a very long break. Well, good news is that now that I've finished all my exams, all of my financial accounting, management accounting, all that good stuff, if you've been with me for a while, you know all of this already. I am now with a new job working in finance operations. So for the last several weeks, and plus I'm now actually back in college as well. Just when I thought I was finished with college, an opportunity presented itself and I'm now studying international finance. So I have a job and I'm now back in college. So, you know, your girl, a little busy. Nonetheless, I do have some PR packages that I have to share with you, or I want to share with you, and the nail show must go on. So with that said, this is the Halloween mystery box. I've had this box at least for 2 weeks, possibly 3 weeks, so I do apologize to Colorful July that I'm just now getting this out, because if you are still interested in this box, it may or may not arrive for Halloween. And so, but nonetheless, you know, you can do Halloween nails as any time of the year, whenever you want to. So this is their Halloween mystery box, and we're just gonna go ahead and see all the goody goodies inside here. Okay, so first of all, we got our little lovely love letter from Colorful July, as always, and all of their socials and their website information is right there on the card. Nicely wrapped. Love the color as well. We have some really cute Halloween stickers in here as well. Are they not the cutest? They are just adorable. Oh, look at that. Very cute. Oh, we got some little charms too. Okay. Got a little ghost there, a little pumpkin. And got a little cat there. Reminds me of Sabrina the Teenage Witch. I think that's, nope. There's some more charms here. Oh my goodness. Little witch hat. A little black tree. Got a little collection going on there. How cool is that? Absolutely amazing. I think that is it. All right, so now let's go ahead and see what the mystery nail art. Ooh, we got some Halloween stickers. Oh my gosh, they are so nice. I don't have stickers like these at all. I don't think I've ever seen stickers. Look at how cute that is. It's like holographic skulls. Oh, we got a little ghost face here as well. That is so nice. And it's cute. We got some little bats to the top here as well. Oh my gosh, they are just so nice. Look at this holographic pumpkin. That is absolutely the cutest, guys. Look at that. Are they not the cutest? Okay, so that's 2 Halloween stickers. Then we have some Halloween sequins that you can use for encapsulating your nails. We do have orange. Let's see if we can kind of see what's in here. All right, looks like this first one is some ghosts. Yeah, we got some different color, white, black, and pumpkin spice ghosts. We got some skulls here. We got some spiders. We have some more ghosts here, but this time it's mixed in with some purple holographic crescents. Oh my goodness, is that the poison symbol? No, it was handcuffs. I was just gonna say, I thought that was like, you know, shinobi. Anyway, and then we have some spiders there as well, and then we have some cats in here as well, some different colored cats in there as well. So those are the sequins if you wanted to encapsulate your nails. All right, now let's move on. What else in this mystery box here? We have some gel polish. This one says base. So this must mean like a little mini base gel. All right, she's a thick one too. The smell isn't too strong either as well. All right, so wow, I think this is the first, eh? This is the first time I think I've received a base gel from Colorful July. Then we got some line art gel. Ooh, that look pigmented too. So that's a red line art gel, and you definitely need a red line art gel, not just for Halloween, but also for Christmas as well. Christmas is coming up right around the corner, so that is that. What else do we have here? We have some more stickers as well. Ooh, all right, we got some faces on this one. We got some pumpkins, some ghost faces, spooky faces. Got a little Halloween banner there as well. Some other faces here, yes or no. That is so cool. Then we have it in gold because these ones were more on the holographic. So that's also holographic as well. But then we have gold here as well. We have some spider webs. We have the word trick or treat, boo, trick or treat. We have the cat, balloons, some more bats, some more cobwebs there as well. All right, good amount of stickers. I love stickers. You can never go wrong with stickers. All right, let's see what else we have here. Should I just move some of this stuff out of the way? I love it. Anybody else has saved these? I think I might save these to make some trick-or-treat treats, you know? Recycle the stuff. Don't throw them away. All right, so some more nail art here. We do have like a gold chain to kind of do some designs on your nails. That's nice. We have some, ooh, look at this glitter. I think this is a sugar glitter. You know, the little sugar stuff? That is so pretty. Look at this nude color. That is stunning from the gods. Now, I've seen this color before. I think I've seen this color before. But this one, I have yet to see. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm going to do some sweater designs. What is this? Oh, sorry. Lovely, lovely glitters. Absolutely gorgeous. What is... Oh my gosh, we have some charms. Are they not the cute... Like, I have never seen charms like these. Wow. They're very playful as well. But they're not, I mean, they are big, but they're not too crazy big, you know? You can still do like a kawaii set with this. I love the little cute ghost. I love the little hat there. A good mix of charms inside here as well. Little hats there, little zombies, little pumpkin, little spider, another pumpkin there. That's a good mix. If you like kawaii nail designs, this is definitely up your alley. All right, let's see what else we have here. We have some bigger, we have some, all right, so we have some orangey butterflies here. I love that. Absolutely cutest. We have some, I want to say this is like a charcoal gray, like a stone gray. It's the cutest spiders ever. Can you see those cute spiders? Those are adorable. Oh, we get some, yeah, lie. We get dragons. Stop that. I love dragons. I don't know if you guys remember that. I love dragons and butterflies. Like, stop that. Wow, that is nice. Oh, I need to do like a black gothic Ring of Fire type nail set. You guys remember that movie, Ring of Fire? That was back in the day. All right, what's this one here? We got a little teddy bear charm there. That's also cute. We got a little masquerade bunny going on here. Ooh, it's very edgy. It's not a cute bunny. It's one of those you know, those little masquerade type parties. And this one is, what is this? Oh, it's like a chrome heart. I love that. Chrome heart nail design. That is also nice as well. I absolutely love those charms. This dragon, those dragons stole the show. I really do love the dragons. That is so cool. Right, okay. Let's see what else we have going on here. And I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to do a design in a separate video simply because I need to take my time when I'm doing my nail designs. So these are a temperature changing gel polish, and then this is the top coat. So this is to go, okay, nice and thick as well. Not bad. And then let's see what the colors are for the temperature change, and that's actually really cool. It'll be perfect for Halloween. All right, so we have something like on the, it's like a jelly cherry. I need to swatch them to see what the colors are. There's a jelly kind of cherry there, and then I wonder what color it changes to. And then for this one we have a purple one, so we'll swatch those to see what color they are, what color they change to. All right, so that's the two color changing gel polishes. And then last but not least, what is that? hidden message to the bottom. So we do have one more sticker here, guys, and these ones are, so this one is a luminous sticker, which means they probably glow in the dark. They probably have to be probably have to go under the UV lamp. So it's just a bunch of faces. So you could do like a ghost face that glows in the dark. That is nice. That's actually really cool. I don't think I've seen stickers like these either. And then we have a chameleon magic mirror powder. I don't know if you could see that. This color actually goes really nicely with this dragon set. I need to figure out how to do like a dragon set. That's actually really nice. That's a beautiful green. All right, so I think that is it. I'm gonna put the stuffing back in here and pat it down. And let's put all of the stuff back in. Got some charms, a red gel liner. We have a base and top coat. We have 2 color changing gel polishes. We do have some beautiful glitter, a chameleon magic mirror powder. We do have some kind of chrome, silver, and butterfly charms in there. We do have a variety, 5 sets of stickers inside here. And we do have some more kawaii charms. We do have some sequins, and we do have a chain. And then last but not least, for this box seems to be one more thing. And it is, oh, it says tattoo stickers. So they gave you some stickers as well. What would these be, tattoo stickers as well? Oh, okay, cool. Basic messages: hi, hello, hey, okay, yes, thank you, bye, see you. That's really cool. And then we have some like cute tattoo stickers here as well. I definitely beware the butterflies. Aren't they cute? Those are very cute. Okay, so that is everything in the Halloween mystery box from Colorful July. I do have a discount code. Don't pay full price, guys. Use the discount code, or use anyone else's discount codes for that matter, and save yourself some cash off of this mystery box or any product off of the Colorful July website. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video. Stay tuned for one of my next videos where I'll actually be using some of the products in this box to create a nail design set. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.